Zero passive income days. That's the dirty secret of real estate nobody posts on Instagram. Forget the beach photos funded by rent checks. My actual Tuesday, a 7 a.m. emergency call because a tenant tried DIY plumbing and flooded the downstairs unit. Then arguing with insurance. Then finding a reliable contractor last minute. Then soothing the downstairs tenant who now thinks the ceiling will collapse. Later, it's explaining again why rent is due on the first, not around the first-ish. It's not spreadsheets and cappuccinos. It's crisis management and cold coffee. You need boatloads of personality plus the patience of a saint and the negotiation skills of a hostage negotiator. This ain't HGTV, folks. It's hands-on, sometimes hands in weird gunk, real life. But listen, here's the flip side they also don't show you. Every single dumpster fire you put out, that's building resilience. Every awkward conversation, every unexpected bill you figure out how to cover, it sharpens you. You learn more about people, patience, and problem solving than any business school teaches. The stress is real, the burnout is lurking, but the growth, that's undeniable. You're not just managing properties. You're forging yourself in the fire of leaky faucets and late payments. This grind makes you adaptable, tough, and surprisingly resourceful. So forget passive. This is active growth, disguised as an investment. The portfolio might grow, but damn, you definitely will. That's the real equity.